how to create a fitness and workout equipment e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and proceed to type in your email or your username. Then click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here, after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You can choose the answer that you want. Then do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is about fitness and workout equipment. So I'm going to choose sports and recreation or fitness and wellness, but I want it for sports equipment. So I'm going to go with tools and parts. I'm going to go with tools and parts also, and fitness and wellness. And if you can't find your category in here, just go with other and then click on continue. Then if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address of the store. If not, just skip this step and then give them a few seconds to build your store. And now we will proceed to our dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and here we have in your right you have the edit site button, and we have also the design now button, and both of them do the same job, which is taking us to the editing phase. And in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going through each one of them and explain it for you, starting with website, where you have the edit site button and the domains edit site button again, and the domains button where you can create your domain or change the one that you already have or set a new one. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items, where you can create new products or adjust the ones that you already have or change them. Then you have the site's categories, where you can categorize your products, create categories for them products. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings or set your shipping settings as you want. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site traffic reports, site activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, abandoned carts reports, and the coupons reports. And on top of that, if you want the summary of all these reports, you can just click on the summary button. Then we have the marketing section, where in this section you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated, to ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on the summary button. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings. We have the settings section, where you have the general settings, where you can change your company name or change your address, also change your email or your phone number. As you can see in here, you can change your phone number, your email, your address, also your company name. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, connect your Stripe account or connect your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the language or edit the units that you already have. And that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here guys, you will need to be a little bit patient and give it some time to load. It will not take that much, but just be patient with it. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. So just wait for it. It will be built up right now. And here we have the setup guide. If you want to go with it, if not, just ignore it. It will disappear right now. Then they will show us the styles, which is the first step of creating our store, which is choosing a style for the store. So let's wait for the store to be fully loaded, and then let's choose one of these styles and check if it fits our store or not. So I think I'm going to choose the second one. I like it, but let's see what can fit our store. So for this store, I think I'm going to choose this one. Let's click on hide styles and check. I think it's not that good. I'm going to choose, let's see this one. What about this one? It's still not good. I think this one will do the job. It will just need to change. No, it's not good. Let's choose the second one. So this one is good. I think this one is good. So let's go with apply site styles. And here, as you can see, we proceed to the site design. If you want to change the colors, the fonts, shapes, or the site's elements, you will need to upgrade to change those. And here, if you want to change one of these settings, and when you're done, you click on done button. Close this one, dismiss all, dismiss. And here, if you want to change one of these sections like the header, main banner, just click on it. And for the plus button, if you want to add a new section or a new page, item, or category. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.